Barry, a recent incident is highlighting the importance of a South Carolina law that allows mothers to safely surrender their newborn babies.
Yeah, police say that an Orangeburg woman gave birth several weeks ago to a child in a public restroom and then left the baby there. Unfortunately, that child died.
But as Nijah Hood reports, state leaders say Daniel's law gives every expectant mom a safe legal way to give up a baby.
New parents have options. That's the message the Department of Social Services is sending tonight as a reminder that Daniel's law protects the safe surrender of a newborn child up to 60 days old. No questions asked.
You know, if this is going to save one life and this is going to help put that child on a path to a healthy forever home, then if it saves one infant, it's worth it.
DSS says the law is designed to prevent the dangerous and potentially fatal abandonment of a child. It was signed into state law in 2001 after an infant survived being buried in a landfill after birth. In a recent case in Orangeburg, a mother gave birth in a restroom and the child died. According to an incident report from the Orangeburg County Sheriff's Office, she said she didn't know what else to do. As long as a parent drops their child off unharmed at a designated safe haven throughout the state, such as a hospital, fire station, or police station, they won't face prosecution.
What I would say to mothers and parents and fathers who make this courageous decision to surrender an infant is that you are not a villain. You are not doing something that is bad. You should not be judged.
Once a staff member accepts the baby, they will notify the Department of Social Services. DSS will then place the baby into a foster home and take necessary steps to get the child adopted. According to DSS, there have been 59 safe surrenders of infants since 2009, with the peak being in 2022, when there were 7 in 1 year.
A high of 59 lives that were changed in South Carolina. 59 families were able to adopt these children. 59 children are able to grow up and have a somewhat normal and healthy childhood.
The person leaving the child can choose to remain anonymous. In Orangeburg, Nijah Hood, News 19 WLTX.
And more information about Daniel's law can be found on the Department of Social Services website.